financially, but more importantly, how proud their spouses and families are of what they've done and what they've accomplished, and just how happy they are now. And the business that my wife and children are proud of, we're going into neighborhoods and being paid to fix up properties. I'm building a legacy for my wife, my children, and my grandchildren, and I'm doing something that I absolutely love. At the event, and this is killer.